So first is male reproductive system in this reproduction. First, we will draw the diagram and then you will understand the parts. Okay. Roll number 15. Forty-one. थोड़ा सा इसको yes, bete, one line we will take like this, then this. Now let us see what are the parts of male reproductive system. ठीक है? So बेटे first is this is testes. ठीक? This is testes. A pair of testes is known as, यहाँ पे E याद आता है. Now हमने one testis बनाई है, that is testis. You will write like this. ठीक? In male reproductive system, this first part, this is known as testes. So there are bete a pair of testes in the male reproductive system. ठीक? Okay. Then now surrounding this testis, you can see here. You can see here surrounding this testis is present in a muscular pouch. This is a muscular pouch which is known as scrotum, ठीक? Or scrotal sac. It is known as scrotal sac or scrotum. ठीक बेटे? So what you have understood that in the male reproductive system there is a pair of testes, and this is one testis which is drawn here. Okay, this testis is present in a muscular pouch known as scrotal sac. Scrotal sac. This is a sac. I have labeled it. Got it? Now, and this is present in an abdominal cavity. Okay. Now this sac acts as a thermoregulator to regulate the temperature. ठीक है बेटे? Testes are present in the sac and it acts as a thermoregulator. Got it? How it acts as a thermoregulator? It keeps the temperature 1 to 3 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature. Got it? Thermoregulator का मतलब है जो टेम्परेचर को रेगुलेट करता है. तो यू कैन राइट इन द ब्रैकेट इट एक्ट एज अ thermoregulator. Okay, how many testes are there? This is a singular. In the singular there is I, in the plural there is E. ठीक? So there are pair of testes. Now this petty testis, each testis will release 2 million sperm. ठीक? Okay. Now sperm की diagram भी हम करेंगे बाद में. Then I'll explain you how the sperm is. Now this testis also produce a sex hormone called testosterone. ठीक? This testis they'll produce two things bete. One is sperms and one is a hormone known as testosterone. Okay, so two things, one is a hormone and one is a male gametes. These are sperms which are released by the male reproductive system part, that is testes. Okay, now come, you can see here bete the next part. This is the next part, that is known as sperm duct. That is known as sperm yes, sperm duct. This sperm duct is also known as vas deferens. Saksham, draw the diagram and understand the system. Don't sit idle. Okay, so this is known as vas deferens. Now, what is the function of this? It joins testes with the urethra. Now, this is your vas deferens, and this part is known as urethra. Now, this sperm duct, you can see here, it joins testes with the यूरेथ्रा. ओके. ये पूरी लाइन कॉइल ट्यूब, या ये वाली जो दूसरी है, ठीक है. दिस वन, देखो ये यहां से आ रही है, देन इट ओपन इन द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. दिस इज अ यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. यू विल सी, हम धीरे धीरे एक एक पार्ट स्टडी करेंगे. नाउ कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस ट्यूब, यू कैन सी कमिंग फ्रॉम ये वाला जो ट्यूब है, इसके अंदर क्या खुल रहा है? यू कैन सी हियर, दीज आर 3 glands. These are 3 glands. One is seminal vesicle. This gland is known as prostate gland. And this gland is known as Copper's gland. Copper's gland. ER. Now, SS. ये वाला प्रोस्टेट है, ये वाला, this one and this one. Now you can see बेटे the fluid coming out from the seminal vesicle. ठीक है, move with the sperm and it is known as semen. Okay, इस वास डिफरेंस में क्या क्या जाएगा? फ्लूइड आएगा. ठीक है, so you can write what is semen. Semen is a fluid coming out from this seminal vesicle. This seminal vesicle will provide a fluid. ठीक है, it will come out from the seminal vesicle and mix with the sperm. That fluid and sperm is known as semen. क्या बोलेंगे उसको? Semen. Prostate. Prostate. PATE. Semen बनाता है. Again I am repeating, just listen to me carefully. Copper's gland, Copper's gland. ठीक है, Copper's gland. This is a prostate gland and this is a seminal vesicle. See bete, you can see here there are a testes. The function of the testes is to release the sperms. Okay, and these testes are present. Okay, these testes are present in a scrotal sac. And scrotal sac is present to provide the thermoregulation to the testes, that it can keep the temperature of the testes 1 to 3 degrees lower than the body temperature. ठीक, from this testes a tube run that is known as sperm duct. अब इस sperm duct में क्या आएगा? sperms आएंगे. इस sperms किसके साथ मिक्स हो जाएंगे? seminal fluid के साथ. seminal fluid कौन स्क्रीन करेगा? seminal vesicle. उससे ये कहां जाएंगे बेटे? यूरेथ्रा में. Why are you laughing? Now it move towards urethra. ठीक है, अब यूरेथ्रा में क्या क्या है? यूरेथ्रा में एक तो फ्लूइड आ रहा है, दैट इज सीमन. एक यूरिनरी ब्लैडर है, दिस इज लेबल इट यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. This is urinary bladder, label it like this. Okay. Now what is this urethra? Now you can see this tube starts from the urinary bladder. It starts from this bladder itself Okay. And what is in this tube? The urine coming from the bladder and also the semen. Got it? So in this tube, there are two type of fluids. One is semen. What is semen? That is sperm mixed with the seminal fluid. And one is urine. Okay? Now, this tube runs through the penis. This run through the penis. And what is penis? Penis is a long muscular organ. Okay. Now this structure is epididymis. This structure is known as beta epididymis. This is known as epididymis. Now what is epididymis? Epididymis is coiled tube-like structure. It is a coiled tube-like structure. See, beta, diagram of the both, I'll repeat again. Don't worry, draw the diagram. I know I'll repeat it again, all the parts. Okay? Just draw it, I'll repeat all the functions and all the parts. Prostate, no R. $19 roll number. Just see, beta. In the male reproductive system, the main parts are these testes, this vas deferens or sperm duct. Okay. Then there is a urethra and there is a penis. These four are the major parts. Okay. So how many testes are there? There are pair of testes. What are the function of the testes is to produce the sperms. Where are these testes present? It is present in the scrotal sac. Why this sac is present? It acts as a thermoregulator. So that the body temperature can be kept below 1 to 3 degrees from the body. Got it? Now from this testis, around this testis, a coil-shaped tube is also present. You can see here. Okay? And this tube is known as epididymis. Now starting from the testis, you can see here sperm duct. Okay? Now this sperm duct will carry the sperm from the testes. And when it is carrying from the testes, here is a seminal vesicle and two more glands, that is prostate and Cowper's gland. Got it? From this seminal vesicle, a fluid comes. Actually, fluid comes from all the three glands. And they are rich in calcium, potassium like nutrients. When this fluid mixed with the sperms, that is the male gametes, this is known as semen. Okay. Now, this fluid provides the nourishment to the sperms. Okay. जो seminal vesicle से fluid आ रहा है, it is there to provide the nourishment to the sperms. Okay. So you can ask 1 marks question. Which fluid is required for the nourishment? You should know. Bete, this is a fluid that comes from the seminal vesicle. Okay? Got it? Now this come bete urethra. Urethra connects the testes to this. ठीक है, penis outside the bladder. From here, this bladder, what come? Urine. And from the sperm duct, what comes? Semen. Both these passes into the urethra. ठीक? Both these passes into the urethra. From urethra, it will pass through the penis. Okay? So penis is a muscular organ. Got the point? Done for all the male reproductive system. Listen, last time bete, see, testes में से sperm release होंगी. Quiet. Enough. There are a pair of testes in the male reproductive system. First part. In this testes, million and million, 2 million sperms are released. Okay? When a person become sexually reproductive, in it means up to 15 to 16 years of age. Now these sperms are released from here, and this is kept in a cavity or a sac, muscular sac. Okay? That is known as scrotal sac. Why this muscular sac is there? To provide the thermoregulation. Thermo word means better related to temperature. ठीक? So the temperature of this testis must be below 2 to 3 degrees. Okay? Now from this testis, okay, from this testis, the sperm will be released. Now this sperm will pass into the sea. This is a sperm duct. Okay, or vas deferens. Okay, so the sperm will pass from the vas deferens. Now this sperm will be mixed with the fluid coming from the seminal vesicle. Got it? This sperm will mix with the fluid from the seminal vesicle. Got the point? Now this, the fluid which comes from the seminal vesicle is to provide the nourishment to the sperm. And this fluid and the sperm is known as semen. Now this is the urethra, which connect the urinary bladder to the vas deferens. Okay? Now, from this sperm duct, you know that what are coming? Semen, which is spermed mixed with the fluid. Got it? Now from the urinary bladder, it is coming urine. These both are mixed and they'll come into the urethra. Okay? From the urethra, it will pass to the penis. Now what is penis? It is a muscular organ. Got it? So what are the parts? Basic parts are, one is urethra, one is penis, one is the 2 pair of testes, and your sperm duct or a vas deferens. Okay? Got it? Any doubt? So, who will Priyan stand up? What is semen? Semen. I've explained so many times. So many times. Which fluid? What does it consist of? Then let's start as a topic. What does it consist of? You love talking, so much talking. आपके मैंने कान में आके समझाना है कि प्रियांश के कान में आ जाओ मैं बोलने के लिए. Navkaran, stand up. What is semen? Which out, no, it is sperm and the fluid which come from the seminal vesicle. These both consist of a semen. No admission नहीं है. He was giving the test yesterday. And online में भी मुझे शक्लें याद रहती हैं. Priyansh, be attentive in the class. Sit down. Rhythm. What is the function of the scrotal sac? No, it doesn't provide heat. It regulates the temperature and keep the temperature below the body temperature. It will keep the temperature. Yes, it will not provide heat. It will set the temperature below the body temperature, that is 1 to 3 degrees. Somil, explain about vas deferens or sperm duct. First bench. So you can tell me how what it join what to what? Urethra. Okay. So now who will tell me what the urethra consists of? Yes. Parthiv, stand up. What the urethra consists of? Urethra में क्या आता है? Two type of liquids come or fluids come in it. Bete, there is a semen coming from the sperm duct and there is urine coming from the urinary bladder. Consists of both urine and semen. Got it? So the last time from the testes, the sperm will be released. They will mix with the fluid coming from the seminal vesicle in the sperm duct. This sperm duct, which is joining the testes with the urethra, it will carry to the urethra. Okay? In the urethra, two fluids, that is urine coming from the urinary bladder and the semen coming from the sperm duct. Sperm duct. बेटे सीमन है, इससे जो फ्लूइड आ रहा है और स्पर्म का मिक्सचर. Semen is not a fluid coming from the seminal vesicle. Semen is the fluid plus sperm. अरे बेटे, see, sperm is coming from the testes. Listen to me carefully. Sperm is coming from the testes. A fluid is coming from the seminal vesicle. Now it becomes semen. Semen is not coming. हाँ, नहीं है, वो फ्लूइड है. फ्लूइड एंड स्पर्म सीमन बनते हैं.